Hey friends, schools have started and today we are going to see how to organize your school bag. So let us first see what are the things that we put in our school bags. Yes, the things that we keep in our school bags are notebooks and a school diary. Then we have our textbooks, a folder to keep all your assignments, and a pencil box. These are the things that your pencil box may contain. Yes, always carry a pouch for money, mask, etc. Now friends, let us see how to put them in a bag. Most of us use this kind of school bags. This is a very common school bag and this has mainly 3 compartments. Yes, as you can see, we have one bigger compartment. Then a medium compartment and a smaller compartment. Yes, so there are 3 compartments in this bag. So now let us see what should go where. So in this bigger compartment, I would suggest you to put all your textbooks. So all your textbooks can go in the bigger compartment. Do not forget to pack your bag as per your school timetable. Now let us put our notebooks and school diary in the second compartment, the medium compartment. Small compartment, you can put your pencil box, pouch with the money, mask and sanitizer. This is a very good compass box that I liked to organize all the pencils, pens and your stationery. This has got lot of compartments and it really looks very organized. So now you can put the plastic folder in a bigger compartment. So now we have put all the things required for our school in a bag. You can also use the small compartment to keep your tiffin box. Yes, it can be used to keep our tiffin box. Yes, so our bag is packed and we are ready for the school. But I would recommend you to use a tiffin bag to carry your tiffin to the school. This will help you to reduce the weight of your bag and prevent from books getting damaged due to spilling. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful to you. See you next Saturday. Bye.